Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's vlog will be a bit different because I'm gonna unbox a product for you guys that I'd ordered from Amazon. So apart from this, I will be telling you guys what all products I do have through which I do my vlogging. So stay tuned. Alright everyone, so this is the product that I just received from Amazon, and as you guys already know through the title of this video that it is Photron's Monopod. Alright, so initially I was thinking of buying a tripod, but I went on buying a monopod. The reason behind this is that monopod is really simple to use. You can just put it down anywhere and start recording. Though we have to take one thing into consideration, that since it is a monopod, it has only one leg, तो इसलिए थोड़ा हल्के से हवा में ये गिर सकता है. It is not at all stable, while the tripod in the other sense is very stable, but then it takes more space if in case you want to use it. ट्राइपॉड का एक और सीन है कि हमें उसके बार बार बबल्स को देखना पड़ता है कि whether all the legs are in the right place so that the camera is properly aligned or not. Monopod में ऐसा कोई सीन नहीं है. Put it anywhere and you're good to go with that. Alright, so without wasting any time, we'll be quick unboxing this product right now. Alright, so over here we have a three-way pan head so that we can move the camera in all directions. The second, we have a support stand, and this is really handy because we can put on our feet over here in order to stabilize this monopod. Third one is that we have a foam grip in order to hold this monopod. Fourth, we have flip leg locks. In order to extend this monopod, we have the flip locks. So let's quickly open this box and let's have a look what we get inside. Alright, so there we have Photron's monopod, and it is in a beautiful packaging. Let's open this package. Alright, so this is the head wherein we have to fit in our camera or the mobile phone stand. Over here we have the monopod itself. We have a support stand over here. We have the flip locks in order to extend this monopod. We have a foam grip over here. We have a handle in order to change the angles of the camera. So there we have this monopod. So now we will be checking out the total height that we acquire after extending its flip locks. Alright, so this is the Photron's Monopod Stedy 540M. An important thing to notice over here that we get a bubble checker over here. So if in case our monopod is straight, that bubble should come in between those lines. And so let's check the total height of this monopod. 1, 2, and 3. There we go. Alright guys, so as we open the flip locks of this particular monopod, the height that we get is this much. So I'm 5'7", and this monopod is as much taller as I am. Alright, so this is really interesting to note that we can use this monopod as a selfie stick also. Look how we can use it. Interesting, na? Alright guys, so if in case you want me to suggest whether you want to go with a monopod or a tripod, I would always suggest you to buy a monopod if you have just one option to go with, either a monopod or a tripod. Anyhow, monopod हम उन चीजों के लिए भी यूज कर सकते हैं जिसमें शायद से ट्राइपॉड का भी यूज नहीं हो पाएगा. आप बहुत सारी वीडियोस देख सकते हैं यूट्यूब में कि हम मोनोपॉड को कैसे कैसे तरह से यूज कर सकते हैं. उन तरीकों में से कभी भी हम ट्राइपॉड को यूज नहीं कर सकते, मगर ट्राइपॉड का भी अपना एक एडवांटेज है जो कि शायद मोनोपॉड कभी पूरा नहीं कर सकता है. तो अगर आपको कोई एक ही प्रोडक्ट चाहिए है और दो को अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते हैं, तो आई वुड ऑलवेज सजेस्ट यू गाइस टू गो विद अ मोनोपॉड बिकॉज वी कैन यूज मोनोपॉड as a substitute of tripod and a selfie stick as well. Alright, so this Photron's monopod costed me 729 Indian rupees. So you can just pause this video to have a look at the invoice. So I really like this product and would definitely recommend this product to you guys. Alright, so now is the time to tell you guys what all products I do have other than the Photron's monopod that I have received today. So the first thing that is there in my kitty is this. Now this is a mini tripod stand. I definitely do not use this product on a daily basis or whenever I vlog, but then it's really handy, and like today's video, it was totally into the unboxing of product. So use this product, and this is something really important for you guys. So it costed me like 300 when I had purchased from Amazon, and currently I believe it is somewhere near to 250 or 300 again. So a nice product. I ordered this from Amazon. The second product that I have is the microphones. It has a 3.5 mm jack, so you can connect it with your mobile phone if in case you want to record some audios. Microphone costed me like 250 the day I had purchased it, but currently I believe it is available at 199 of price tag in Amazon. Now, the third thing that I have, of course, is my action camera, and that is SJ Cam 4000 series. So this actually costed me 7,000 bucks, and currently it is available at somewhere around 5,500 because we have some other products from SJ Cam, that is SJ6 Legend, that is working really awesome. And if in case you guys can afford it, you can definitely go for it, but that time when I was purchasing it was not available, so I ordered SJ4000 because I was in a hurry to go to Neemrana. Alright, so beside SJ Cam, I'm using my Moto G5S back camera and front camera in order to capture the videos. So if in case you guys cannot afford to buy an action camera, you can start vlogging through your mobile's camera. So with that said, if in case you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share it as much as you can. We'll meet in the next vlog. Till then, peace.